Welcome back. We're going to start talking about our vocabulary for the week. Remember, we're talking about protecting the earth and its resources. Go ahead and repeat the words after I say them. Curious, distance, earth resources, enormous, gently, proudly, rarely, supply. You'll notice these three end in a suffix, ly, which means in a way, like in a rare way. This word looks like it ends with the same sound, but is a totally different word. So remember that as we practice. Supply. Let's start with curious. I am curious to find out what is in the box.
Curious. If you are curious about something.
Our video said, if you are curious about something, you want to learn more about it. Describe how you look when you are curious about something. You also might change your face or your eyebrows to show that you are curious. Our next word is distance. Lily waved from a distance, but her friend did not see her. Distance means if you see something from a distance, you see it from far away. So distance means far away. Tell about something that is at a distance from you right now. I can think of someone. It's me, but you're still learning. Our next word is earth resources. And you're right, those are two words. Water and trees are important earth resources. Earth resources are things found in nature that people can use. What are some other earth resources? Some other things that are found in nature that people can use? We know water and trees. Remember, if you need more time to think, you should pause our video. Our next word is enormous. The bird looked tiny on top of the enormous rhinoceros.
Enormous. Something that is enormous is very large in size or amount.
Our video said something that is enormous is very large in size or amount. What is another word for enormous? If you said big or giant, those are good words that mean enormous. Our next word is gently. The girls gently patted the puppy at the shelter.
Gently. If you do something gently, you do it carefully or lightly.
Our video said, if you do something gently, you do it carefully or lightly. Describe how you would gently pat a kitten. Maybe pretend to gently pat a kitten, or gently pet something in your house. Our next word is proudly. Julia smiled proudly when she finished her painting. If you do something proudly, you do it in a way that shows you are pleased with what you have done. You did something, you're happy you did it, and you show that. Tell me about a time that you did something proudly. Our next word is rarely. It rarely rains in the dry desert. If something happens rarely, it does not happen often. What word is the opposite of rarely? If you're thinking often, that's a good thought. Our last word is supply. The teacher has a supply of colored pencils for the class. If you have a supply of something, you have an amount of that thing to use. What else is there a supply of in the classroom? Have a good day, boys and girls. That's all for now.